sehat, 6 kujang.
Oh, udah ini dong. Udah nyimpen energi dong ya. Energi surya.
Yang terhormat Presiden Republik Indonesia Bapak Joko Widodo. Yang kami hormati Minister of State for Foreign Trade of the United Arab Emirates, para Menteri Kabinet Indonesia Maju, Ketua Komisi 7 DPR RI, PJ Gubernur Jawa Barat, CEO Masdar, jajaran Komisaris, Direktur Utama dan Direksi PT PLN Persero, serta PJ Bupati Purwakarta. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Selamat pagi dan selamat datang di kawasan PLTS Terapung Cirata, Purwakarta, Provinsi Jawa Barat dalam acara peresmian PLTS Terapung Cirata 192 Megawatt Peak. Mengawali acara pada pagi hari ini, kita ikuti sambutan yang akan disampaikan oleh Menteri Perdagangan Luar Negeri Uni Emirat Arab. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite His Excellency Dr. Thani bin Ahmed Al Zayudi to kindly deliver his welcoming speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency President Widodo, Excellencies, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm delighted to be with you today on this historic occasion and to return to a nation that has become an important friend and ally to the UAE. And allow me to begin by convening the greetings of the UAE leaderships and their congratulations on the inauguration of the Cirata floating solar project. The inauguration of Cirata represents a historic milestone for Masdar and the UAE, for Indonesia and for the Southeast Asia. As the largest floating solar power plant in the region, Cirata is a testament of your government's vision in unlocking Indonesia's tremendous clean energy potential. That is a vision shared by the UAE leadership, who launched Masdar nearly 20 years ago to pioneer clean technologies at home and all around the world. And it's also a reflection of the deepening ties between our nations and unity of purpose that is the best embedded by the signing of the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreements, which came into force on September 1st this year. This historic deal will accelerate trade by removing or reducing tariffs on 80% of product lines, eliminating technical barriers to trade, increasing market access for both goods and services. It's projected to boost value of bilateral non-oil trade to $10 billion within 5 years, 2.5 times the $4.1 billion we recorded last year. The Indonesia CEPA will also create new pathways for joint ventures and investments in critical sectors such as logistics, tourism, manufacturing, agriculture, and halal economy. Importantly, it will undoubtedly lead to more clean energy projects like the remarkable one we are celebrating today. It is because of this shared vision, as well as renewed strength of our bilateral relationship, that Masdar and the UAE have invested more than $500 million in Indonesia's clean energy transition, and we are committed to further investments in the upcoming years. By generating 145 megawatts of clean renewable energy, this plant will significantly contribute to Indonesia's targets of achieving 23% renewable energy by 2035. And it will play a major role in driving the countries toward its net zero ambitions. But Cirata is not only pioneering homes and powering homes, it's also empowering communities, creating thousands of jobs and driving economic growth across Indonesia's supply chains. This is what lies at the heart of energy transition, providing clean, affordable energy access while creating economic opportunities, and this reality that both the UAE and Indonesia know very well. As we celebrate the success of Cirata, we must also look at what lies ahead. Later this month, the UAE will proudly host COP28, where the world will gather to confront the global climate challenge head-on, and it will look to examples like Cirata projects as exactly the kind of solution that we all need. Your Excellency, President Widodo, Excellencies, distinguished guests, thank you so much once again for the trust and the partnership. Rest assured that as Indonesia continues to venture on its clean energy journey, the UAE and Masdar will stand ready to support at every step on the way. Thank you.
Hadirin yang kami hormati, selanjutnya marilah kita simak bersama sambutan Presiden Republik Indonesia Bapak Joko Widodo dilanjutkan dengan prosesi meletakkan mock-up solar panel dan penandatanganan prasasti sebagai tanda peresmian PLTS Terapung Cirata 192 megawatt peak.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera bagi kita semuanya. Yang saya hormati His Excellency Dr. Thani bin Ahmad Al-Jayoudi, Minister of State for Foreign Trade UAE, yang saya hormati para Menteri Kabinet Indonesia Maju, Gubernur Provinsi Jawa Barat, Bupati Purwakarta, Direktur Utama PT PLN, beserta komisaris dan direksi yang hadir, yang saya hormati Ketua dan Pimpinan Komisi 7 DPR RI, Bapak Ibu sekalian yang saya hormati, anak-anakku semuanya yang saya cintai. Hari ini merupakan hari yang bersejarah karena mimpi besar kita untuk membangun pembangkit energi baru terbarukan dalam skala besar akhirnya bisa terlaksana. Dan kita berhasil membangun salah satu pembangkit listrik tenaga surya terapung yang terbesar di Asia Tenggara dan nomor 3 di dunia. Di Cirata ini sudah ada PLTA dengan kapasitas 1000 MW dan sekarang ditambah dengan PLTS terapung sebesar 192 megawatt peak. Ke depan, kalau dimaksimalkan bisa menambah kurang lebih 1000 megawatt peak. Jadi nanti tenaga airnya bisa untuk energi hijau juga. Dan saya gembira dan bangga melihat PLTS terapung di Cirata ini telah selesai. Ini hasil kerjasama Kementerian SDM, Kementerian BUMN bersama PLN, dan kolaborasi dengan kekuatan dunia, yaitu Masdar dari Uni Emirat Arab. Saya ingin nantinya seluruh potensi energi baru terbarukan yang ada di Indonesia bisa kita manfaatkan, dan saya yakin pasti bisa karena sekarang teknologinya sudah ada. Misalnya di pembangkit surya ini juga ada pembangkit angin. Dalam prosesnya ada tantangan cuaca memang, tapi bisa kita atasi dengan membangun smart grid sehingga meskipun cuaca berubah-ubah, listriknya tetap stabil. Tantangan lokasi potensi energi baru terbarukan yang jauh dari pusat kebutuhan listrik juga bisa kita atasi. Kita bisa bangun solusinya dengan transmission line dan yang nantinya setiap potensi EBT di Sumatera, di Kalimantan, dan Sulawesi bisa kita salurkan ke pusat-pusat ekonomi. Excellency, Indonesia and the UAE have enjoyed excellent bilateral relations. Thank you for the close ties between our two countries, and thank you for your investing in Indonesia. Please send my warmest regards to His Royal Highness Crown Prince Mohammed bin Zayed and his family. Thank you, terima kasih. Dan dengan mengucap Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, pada pagi hari ini saya resmikan pembangkit listrik tenaga surya PLTS Terapung Cirata 192 MW peak di Kabupaten Purwakarta, Provinsi Jawa Barat, Indonesia. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Mohon berkenan untuk meletakkan mock-up solar panel. Dengan ini maka PLTS Terapung Cirata 192 MW peak telah diresmikan. Hadirin yang kami hormati, dengan demikian selesai sudah seluruh rangkaian acara peresmian PLTS Terapung Cirata 192 MW peak.
Sebagai negara besar harus berani melangkah, harus berani memiliki agenda besar untuk kemajuan negara kita, untuk kemajuan bangsa.